an island-wide curfew will be in effect.
Good day, citizens of Jamaica. My name is SSP. As you have heard, the country is now under a curfew. That means me and my squaddies are now outside, and we are waiting to see the first person who will be so brave to step out, because if you go outside at any time today, we shall be throwing you up in the jeep. I am here to talk to the law-abiding citizens of this country, but I am also here to talk to those who I like to affectionately call germs. Those of you pestilence who are at this time planning to do all kind of thieving, not because Hurricane Cheryl, Marcy, Holland, what name again? Hurricane Maxie, no man, sorry, Beryl, sorry ladies and gentlemen. This Hurricane Beryl remind me of my three ex-wife, very cantankerous, wild, and me never like none of them. So, as the Prime Minister has mentioned, a curfew is on, but if you feel like you want to turn half your brain and go outside, you're going right up in the jeep. If you feel like you want to skate to your girl, if you feel like you want to skate on the toll or skate anywhere at all outside, you shall be going up into the jeep, and we shall be carrying you to the station, and you will be spending an entire night, probably even a weekend, behind bars without food, water, or light. As a matter of fact, we shall not let you out until Jesus Christ himself shall return. Now let me just say that police officers have life too. We do not want to be outside, but because of somehow germs and grasmite and unscrupulous character, we have to be out here to secure the people and things. So I beg you, do not go outside, do not stand up at your gate, or we are going to throw you up in the jeep. Stay inside, stay safe, and have a good evening.